My name is Rowan Reid. I'm from the parish of St. Thomas, and I live in the area where this dump is, Mahagony VALE. In Mahagony VALE, this big dump. And we as farmers, we do catch crop, but it's mostly a coffee farming district. We have been affected by the disaster and the landslide now.
First of all, I want to say, viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I don't have much to say in this video. You, the viewers, are going to do the do. When I go share and I go comment, speak your mind down in the comment section. As you can see, this place named VALE. First time hearing about this place. Any one of my subscribers know this place. This is when you're going to St. Andrew, the border between St. Thomas and St. Andrew, leaving Ugly's Gap, going that side. First time I say being to this place, Father Byron and his team went up here to show some assistance to these people, as you can see the name of the place. To these people, call them blacking. Coffee man blacking. Normal citizens want to go about them ways, cannot go because them blacking, etc, etc. As me say, I don't have much to say, so I want you to watch this video carefully. Listen to the gentleman, because I'm going to speak some more down in the video, and listen to what other people have to say. Okay, viewers and subscribers, bless up on yourself, open all, enjoy it. As you can see, the front end loader traffic clear the landslide so that people can go boom anywhere. So I want to big up Father Byron and his team for showing assistance to these people and show them some assistance. Okay, viewers, speak with your mind down in the comment section. Finish with the talking. Watch the video. I do have nothing more to say. Bless up. Come back. So just because of the landslide, see the coffee them there cannot go out. Yeah, them cannot move. You understand what I say? And if the coffee them stay too long, them next thing them will spoil, them will burn, and them will spoil it. That big lose is this to the farmer. Them, you get what I say, viewers? Stick and stay a lot more for you to see and know.
Oh, all right, good day. My name is Rowan Reid. I'm from the parish of St. Thomas, and I live in the area where this dump is, Mahagony VALE. In Mahagony VALE, this big dump. And we as farmers, we do catch crop, but it's mostly a coffee farming district. We have been affected by the disaster and the landslide now. Barring out our produce from going out. A lot of people cannot get to the market. We cannot get food stuff in and things like that. Anytime we have storm, tropical storm, or any form or shape of storm and those type of things, every rain we have landslide. The fording down by Mahagony VALE also, the river come over it and those type of things. It affect our livity and things like that. We need help with the bridge and a proper road and stuff like that. So,
same as we have under tropical storm watch, flooding and so on, how you prepare and what you do after the storm?
Okay, normally we listen to the bulletin and the news, and we adhere to the instruction. So if we need to protect our homes, animal and stuff, we all follow those instructions. Where food is concerned, same way, we do that. But because of our surrounding, the road block more time, sometimes you might find residents or community member run out of stocks and so forth. So we have been affected by those things many of time, years and years over. We really need a little attention because we are a self-dependent type of people in our community, our citizens, if you want to call it that. we are developing, you know, in the type of work that we do. It helps us to develop our community. We just need a little attention from the relative authority, you know.
Fine. So if anything tomorrow, I carry people then come up. Eh? You got a doctor? So if the road no, so when I said to him, if the road not clear, you go stay up there and dead. Which turn on the car now? You got your friend. You mad?
The road black and then couldn't get to carry me.
Come out on the road.
See?
Yeah, I did it.
Want the road to clear.
Oh, me understand. Yeah, man. Sure, what people.
Star. Yeah man, this rough fire. Rough man I tell you. Yeah man, bless up Mr. Cameraman. This is Mr. Smith.
Yeah.
Representing Jabi Coffee Limited. We are here taking some bottles of coffee across the dome that you see right here, the breakaway. Trust me, it's rough. Yeah man, this coffee was supposed to reach into the company Jacqua from yesterday, and it's this morning we say we're gonna come and lift them over. So if you don't know how to cross it, you cannot cross it.
You see them land and viewers and subscribers and like the hard, firm, solid land. It's like nearly like it a sunny mole, something like. So the little waterfall, it a go slide where, you know, but they need attention. Remember, share the video, speak your mind down in the comment section. Bless up. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Do.